Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a tool that can truly be a lifesaver, especially when it comes to recovering your lost data. Imagine accidental deleting important files or losing access to precious memories due to a system crash. It's a nightmare. Right, but don't worry because today I am going to introduce you a Recoverit free data recovery by Wondershare. Recoverit is a trusted solution used by millions of people around the world, offering a simple yet powerful way to recover documents, videos, images, and more. Whether you are facing accidental deletion, formatting errors, or system corruption, Recoverit is designed to handle it all efficiently and safely. So if you have ever lost an important file and thought it was gone forever, this video is definitely for you. Let's not waste any more time, let's start the video. The name of the website is Recoverit Free Data Recovery by Wondershare. You will find the official download link right in the video description below, so make sure to check it out. Once you visit the website, simply download the software by clicking on the download button. After the download is complete, install it on your system just like any other application. It's quick and easy. Once the installation is done, go ahead and open the program. As soon as you launch Recoverit, you will be welcomed by a clean, user-friendly interface that makes the data recovery process straightforward and free. The interface of Recoverit is clean and well organized. You can easily see different recovery options like hardware recovery, external device recovery, and even crashed computer recovery. Everything is clearly labeled, making it simple for even beginners recovering their lost data. I first deleted some of my own data. Initially, I deleted a folder manually and then emptied the recycle bin to ensure the files were completely erased. After that, I opened the Recoverit software and selected the location from where the files were deleted. In my case, it was local disk D. Once selected, the software began scanning the drive and after a short loading time, it displayed all the recoverable files. Impressively, Recoverit managed to not just my recently deleted data but also files that had been deleted up to a week ago. I had selected only the files I had just deleted for the demonstration. After selecting them, I simply clicked on the recover button. The software then asked me to choose a destination folder where I want to save the recovered files. I created a new folder named data and saved everything there. As you can see, Recoverit restored all my files smoothly and effortlessly, making data recovery simple, fast, and highly. So there you have it. Recoverit has proved to be an outstanding tool for data recovery. Whether it's accidentally deleted files or corrupted drives or a system crash, this software makes the recovery process incredibly easy, quick, and reliable. The clean interface and user-friendly recovery and support from over 1000 files types, Wondershare has truly created a one-stop solution for all your data recovery needs. I highly recommend Recoverit to any looking to safeguard their important data. Trust me, it's a tool you will want to have in your digital toolbox. You can download it today by clicking the link in the description below. Make sure to it a try and see how easily it recovered your lost file. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. I will see you in the next video.